Hey everyone, Alexander here, back at you with another video. I recently filmed using my C70, a short film, my first short film that I've ever written and directed. Today I'm going to show you a preview from that short film, and we're going to go ahead and talk the camera, its configuration, and some of my experiences on set. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Action.
Samantha, I've been doing this for a while. I've met all sorts of people like you. You wear a smile and you strive for a normal life, but inside you are dark and demented. You can't run from it or hide from it. You're a danger. So I'll ask you again, why did you do it?
Okay, there you have it. Go easy on me. That was my first short film. Day 2 of filming is coming up here soon, so I look forward to finishing this project. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my experiences on set, who was on set. First and foremost, we had my wife Steph as a producer. We had my buddy Juan as a camera operator and a DP, essentially. I was serving as the director. We had my buddy Sebastian pulling focus. He was the first AC. We also had our talent, who is also a hair and makeup artist, and we had Caroline pulling duties as grip and gaffing, so that was also very important. We also had my buddy Colin doing set photography, which I don't guess is very vital in your role as making a short film happen, but it's great to have that content to show the behind the scenes and to show on social media what you're doing. We had a very nice venue. It was a restaurant here in Richmond, Virginia called Havana 59, and we exchanged some photo and video work for them in exchange for being able to use their bar and their scene. So quickly, let's go ahead and talk the C70. I should say that this has been my camera for the past 1.5 years, so I was comfortable using it. My buddy Juan, he's also a cinematographer. He had a red Dragon and a red Komodo, but I opted to use my camera. My buddy Sebastian also had a Sony FX6, but ultimately I wanted to use the C70 because it's my camera. So the C70, I had on it 3/4 small rig cage, a small rig top handle, and a side handle. I also had this U-joint here for this elbow joint for my monitor, Atomos Ninja 5, which I had preloaded Luts to. I had the Tilta Nucleus 2 focus pull, which my first AC was running. I was using my new cinema lens, the Canon RF mount T1.3. The lens is really what gives you the picture. It's not so much the camera, it's your lens. So I would always invest in a lens first prior to a camera. Camera is great for frame rates and some dynamic range, but your lens is really going to give you the picture you're looking for in terms of cinema quality. I had a standard V-mount configuration, a D-tap mount with the V-mount battery, rails, 15mm rail base plate, and your tripod plate. I guess I should mention also the wireless transmission system. This is from Axune, and it's a 4-channel system allowing me to transmit a live feed to a director's monitor, the first AC who can remotely pull focus, and a client monitor, and a tablet of some kind. So a great asset on set. So that was the configuration of the C70. Some takeaways from the whole experience was it was a learning experience. And I gotta say, the creative experience of just sitting down and writing a script was very challenging for me. My strengths were, I think I'm a pretty good team player. I was able to bring the team together and make it happen. So that's it in a nutshell. I wanted to make this video to show what the Canon C70 was capable of. Is that some footage you could see on Netflix? I don't know, you tell me. How did I do? I would love to get some feedback, and please keep it constructive. This was my first time, and I look forward to talking and communicating with all of you on the cinematic process, hopefully to inspire each other and learn. If you're new to this channel, my name is Alexander Joffox. I talk everything cars and cameras on this channel. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.